Alright guys, so we're learning how to make these holiday boxes. This is just the first half. You guys are going to make two of these, so they should fit together like a box. And you can put a little small gift in there for somebody very important to you. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First, you're going to start with your paper and you're going to fold your diagonal. So you're going to fold it diagonally, the two corners together, so it's like a triangle, right? Both ways. So I'm going to start this way. Fold it diagonally. And then if you get confused or stuck, pause the video. Okay. All I did was fold it diagonally. So now it's like a triangle. Folding back up, looks like that, right? Fold it diagonally. And then you're going to do the same thing the opposite way. So it should have an X cross on the diagonal when you're done. Alright, so when you're done, it should look like that. It should have an X, right? You can easily fold both sides. Alright, next step. It's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. You're going to take every corner of your paper and fold them to that middle where the two fold crosses meet. So right there. So you're going to take every corner and fold it in to the center. Okay? See that? Then I'm taking this corner, folding it to the center. It's almost like making a paper airplane, but you're doing it to both sides, right? Paper airplane, but you're doing it to the bottom side as well. So then you're gonna end up with a square. So when you're done, it should look like that, right? I have my square paper, folded all the corners like that. Okay, the next part, you're gonna see your half of the sheet, right? You're gonna take each side and fold it in halfway to the half line in the middle. So you're gonna take each side and fold it in, so it's gonna be like a door. So see how I folded that in half? I'm going to take this side, fold it in half as well, into the middle line. So it's like a door, right? You see where it was like this earlier? I just fold them both into the center line. Now I'm going to rotate it and do it the other way as well. So open it back up. Rotate it and fold in the other way as well. Okay, so now when you open it up, you should be able to open it like a door and then rotate it. Same thing here, you should be able to open that side up like a door. Okay, so you see where these lines are? That's where I'm gonna cut here, and this parallel line here. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Doesn't matter, you could do it this way, up top, here and here, but just do it, just choose one direction, use it. Right? It doesn't matter which way you choose, but because it's a square. So if I choose these two lines, I'm gonna cut right here, just up to the crease. So you see where it connects here? That's where I stop. That's where I stop here, and this should be two pieces. That's where I stop. Alright, do the same thing on the bottom. Okay, so then I can open it up like that. All I did was cut this little flap right here and down here. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side over here. So I'm going to rotate it over. I'm going to cut these two creases that I folded. So 1, too. Now when I open it up, it's gonna look like this, okay? So, this is another tricky part of the process where you lay it flat, okay? And you open up the two flaps that you cut, right? Lay it flat. You fold everything into a box. See that? And you fold both sides into a box. So it should look like that, right? So all I did, again, let me show you this way, is I just fold up my flaps and fold them into a box size shape, like that. And then what you're gonna do when you have that is you take the flaps that you cut out, go over, down, in, and it should hold that flap still. If you want to put tape on it, you can, but you don't have to. But put the flaps over it, and then you have your holiday box. So that's one of them. You need to make two of them because they'll go together like this. Put them in together, and you have yourself a gift box. See? So that's how your holiday box should look. If you need help, ask your teacher, find Mr. Lee. All right?